So welcome to SIBM. So first of all, so how has your experience been with the panel discussion?
I think the panel was wonderful. It's always a pleasure to come to the campus. I really enjoy coming here. I came here last year as well. Got some great questions. A good panel committee was there. So overall, a great experience.
So since you've worked in Sri Lanka and now you're working in India, both low developing countries with evolving telecom structures. So what do you think are the differences or the similarities between the telecom structure that is there in Sri Lanka and in India?
I think telecom there is not that hyper competitive, and also we guys were the last to enter in that market. Very important, firstly, if you're in a new country, to know how the people behave and get used to the culture there. So it was a challenge, obviously, to go in a new country, new people, understand the entire landscape, and then develop your telecom strategy. So first, be with people, ensure that they understand you as you understand them. Rest everything starts to happen.
So SIBM is the beginning of a journey for many of us. So since you worked your entire life in marketing, so what advice would you give to the marketing students, especially who are about to begin their journey?
So my entire life has not been in marketing. I've started with marketing about 6-7 years and then moved into service, moved into sales. I think what Airtel does is it gives you a lot of exposure. I was one of you 16 years back, right out of campus. I'm standing in front of you here giving this interview. I think be true to yourself, enjoy your workspace, get your hands dirty. Don't think that you're going to wear a tie and a suit and go and sit in front of a laptop. Life is very different outside. Get ready for let the rubber hit the road. Lead by example, and I'm sure you guys will have a great time. But don't get complacent that after this MBA you are God. You are nobody till you hit the corporate life, and that's where you have to start earning your respect.